Question 12, Part D. The points A, -4, 0 and B, 1, 5 lie on the line y equals x plus 4. The length of AB is 5√2. The points C, 0, -2 and D, 3, 1 lie on the line x minus y minus 2 equals 0. The points A, B, D, C form a trapezium as shown. Part 1. Find the perpendicular distance from point A, -4, 0 to the line x minus y minus 2 equals 0. The perpendicular distance formula, D equals the absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c over the square root of a squared plus b squared, gives us the distance between a point and a line. Now in this case, the line is x minus y minus 2 equals 0. Note that it must be in general form in order to use this formula. And the point that we're measuring the distance from is -4, 0. Now the a and the b in the formula are the values of the coefficients of x and y in the equation of the line. The c is the value of the constant term. And the x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point, -4, 0, respectively. So considering the line x minus y minus 2 equals 0, the value of a is 1, the value of b is -1, and the value of c is -2. And considering the point -4, 0, we have x1 is equal to -4 and y1 is equal to 0. So substituting these values into the perpendicular distance formula, we get D is equal to the absolute value of 1 times -4 plus -1 times 0 minus 2, so these are enclosed in absolute value brackets, divided by the square root of 1 squared plus -1 in brackets squared. And that equals the absolute value of -4 plus 0 minus 2 divided by the square root of 2, and that equals 6 divided by the square root of 2, or 6 over the square root of 2 units. Part 2. Calculate the area of the trapezium. To find the area of a trapezium, we need the lengths of the two parallel sides, in this case AB and CD, and we need the distance between them. Now the distance between them we found in part 1, which was 6 over the square root of 2 units. Now the length of AB is 5 times the square root of 2, and that was given in the question. We need to find the length of the other parallel side, CD, however. So using the distance formula, the length of CD is equal to the square root of 3 minus 0 in brackets squared, so that's x2 minus x1, plus 1 minus -2 in brackets squared, so that's y2 minus y1. And that simplifies to the square root of 18, or 3 times the square root of 2. Now, using the formula to find the area of a trapezium, that is half times h times a plus b, where h is the distance between the parallel sides, and a and b represent the lengths of the two parallel sides, we get 1 over 2 times 6 over the square root of 2 times 5 times the square root of 2 plus 3 times the square root of 2 in brackets. Now 5√2 plus 3√2 simplifies to 8√2, and 1 over 2 times 6 over √2 simplifies to 3 over √2. Now the square root of 2's will cancel here, and we're left with 3 times 8, which equals 24 square units, and that's the area of the trapezium.